When you start a dustless blasting business, you'll be providing a valuable service at a premium price. But removing paint, rust, and grime isn't the only thing you can do with your dustless blasting trailer. Take full advantage of your machine's powerful compressor and auxiliary air ports by offering coating application services, like spraying a layer of primer on a freshly blasted car, applying chassis paint to a truck frame, or even spraying anti-graffiti coating on an often vandalized area. Offering services like these can boost your income potential and give your customers a clear reason to pick you for the job. That's why we now carry the Binks Spray Gun Kit. It comes with 2 different size guns that are built to last and excellent for professional use with water-based or oil-based paints, stains, and other coatings. Clever business owners are maximizing their machine's money-making potential with these extra services. So, start bringing more value to your customers with a spray gun kit from store.dustlessblasting.com.